Let's move on. The Ministry of Labour and Social Protection has today suspended embattled Kenya National Union of Teachers KNUT Secretary General Wilson Sossion. According to a letter by the Registrar of Trade Unions, Sossion has been replaced in an acting capacity by his deputy Hesbon Otieno. However, as our reporter Grace Kuria now tells us, the ouster comes a day after a section of the union's National Executive Council met and recommended his removal.
Sossion is an individual. He will come and go. But as of now, he's elected substantive Secretary General of Kenya National Union of Teachers, and I am not quitting.
And he meant every word. He would not quit. But Friday, out with Sossion, in with Hesbon.
I, Hesbon Otieno, now the Acting Secretary General.
This letter from the Registrar of Trade Unions, E.N. Gisheha, to Sossion, written, and I quote, "I wish to inform you that I have registered the notice of change of officers covering the appointments made on 29th August 2019, and of quote, affirming that a move that has been welcomed by some of the KNUT officials who are in favor of his ouster."
Tulikuwa na wanachama wa kutosha na tukapitisha kauli fulani ili kwamba mchezaji mmoja aketi kando ili tuendeshe mchezo tuone mambo itakuwa vipi.
The officials accusing Sossion of being a lone ranger.
Most of the decisions that he was making, we were seeing them on media, and when we advised him on how he should operate with us, he was not doing it the way that he was not working together with us. He was making his own decisions.
They, however, promised to soldier on.
To our members, stay calm. We want to promise we shall deliver. We are not at war with anybody. We support the government of the day.
We are ready, and we said, and we discussed, and we said it is high time that we support the curriculum-based, that is the competency-based curriculum.
The officials also said that the new leadership will be meeting the Teachers Service Commission to resolve existing differences.
Solidarity forever.
Grace Kuria, KNUT.